Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking Time with Sail Wife T&K. This is our dessert episode. This is the one dip where I've said this a couple lives today already. This made our Kayla's good friend Marae cry. It is that good. You only need three things.
What's it called?
This is the s'more dip. I'm thinking about calling it the Marae dip because that was a event and a good laugh. So you only need three things. You need graham crackers.
We get the cinnamon.
Yep.
You can get regular. You can get chocolate, whatever you want.
Yep. You got some whatever chocolate chips you want. This is semi-sweet because Kayla prefers that, and some of the bigger marshmallows.
The big puffs.
Yeah, big puffs. So next, take your graham crackers. Now, graham crackers will be used as two things. A, they're going to be like your chip for the dip, but also we're going to make a nice little layer all around.
Because when this cools down, this is like your bottom. When it cools down, it's totally cool. You can cut it like with a knife into bars, and so this is like the bottom of your bar.
Can I open this? Yes, I can. But do I want to go everywhere? No, I do not. So
all he's done, I would definitely recommend lining your pan.
Yeah,
this is
definitely just regular aluminum foil. It's just a Corningware dish, just like a
8x8.
Yep.
We lined it with foil, and then he's done a layer of the graham crackers.
You kind of want this for afterwards. What cool. So the other thing I did, oven's at 400. So first thing we're gonna do after we layer this down, take your chocolate chips, take the whole bag, take your hand, spread out.
Get them in the corners.
So we're gonna make sure. Wait, I still one in there. We're gonna make sure it's nice spread out. Now what we're going to do with this goes to the oven at 400 for 5 minutes. We're going to put this in the oven pretty much twice. So this will be our chocolate melt.
So 400, 5 minutes.
See you in 5. Alright guys, it's been 5 minutes. We're going to pull this out. Do our next step. After we do this,
You had a...
relax it, but it's okay. It's okay.
So all that really happened was the chocolate
has melted.
Yeah,
But now we're gonna add our. But we need. Sorry, we need to do that because we have to add our next layer, which is the marshmallows. Now we're just going to completely.
And take your time and stand them up. It's gonna make the next step look amazing.
Oh yeah, you want this is a pretty dessert. Like this is definitely one like.
Don't just willy-nilly your marshmallows on there.
You know, you want to take your time, but you want to do it a little quick because you want to make sure the chocolate stays melted. That's why.
I feel like you could be getting a whole nother row.
From our old bag. Like I said, we just made this a couple weeks ago. Oh, these are good. Last bag I got, I don't know if the truck was hot because I bought it, didn't look, got home, and they were all like it was like one big blob of marshmallows. And also, if you do like I've done a casserole dish, like an actual casserole dish. This before, just double the recipe. Which AK means
my tip is if you're taking this to a party, go to the Dollar Tree and get those little throwaway pans, and you can make it right in there.
Yeah, this is not something you really can pre-make at all. So here's what we're about to do. We're gonna put this back in for 5 minutes, but we're not gonna take it out 5. Now this is where we're gonna make it pretty. We're going to knock it out. When it hits 5 minutes, we're going to turn on the broiler, and we're going to, usually about 2 minutes, we're going to pay attention though, because we don't want to burn, but we're going to get the marshmallow where it's that golden brown crust. So I'm going to see you the final product in about 7 minutes.
Okay, you just confused me. So we're putting it in the oven for 5 minutes.
For 5 minutes.
And then for 2 minutes, put it under
2
the
to 3.
broiler.
Well, we're gonna put 2 to 3 minutes. That's what it normally takes. Depends on your oven. But what we're looking for is the marshmallows get golden on top, like you've roasted over fire.
Okay.
Not burnt, but that golden brown.
So 5 minutes, 2 minutes on broiler.
Yeah, 2 to 3 on broiler.
Got it.
Okay. Okay, 5 minutes are up. On the broiler, I'm gonna do 2 right now. Let's go down here. We're just gonna watch it now, because this is when we don't know how long it's gonna take. So, it's gonna be between 2 and 3 minutes. So, broil on high.
You didn't even take it out. You just went directly from
to it, yes.
400 to broiler. All right, we'll see you in a minute.
All right. What I said was pretty, y'all. That's what you're looking for right there. Don't mind the graham cracker getting a little burnt. That's not a big deal. But that's it right there now. Here's how you do it. You take your little graham cracker. Oh. Let's use a whole one.
You really get in there. They're soft. I don't know, like these. You might need a spoon.
Yeah, these are really, really soft for some reason. But no, look.
Look in the hole.
Got your chocolate. Now what you can do, if it breaks in half,
There we go.
you do, it breaks in half like that, oh, it could be a little down top. Ooh. And there you go right there. There's your s'more dip.
Now, when this cools, it's gonna harden. So then you can just cut it like you would
A candy bar.
a little candy bar. So when it's hot, you eat it like a dip.
Yep.
It's all gooey, whatnot. And when it cools down, you eat it like a candy bar.
So, and right, so this is s'more, the meringue dip now.
The Murray s'more dip.
Meringue s'more dip. We will see you next time on our show, because we're doing our dare treat. We're doing pizza casserole. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.